Next citizen journalist Anil Sood. He connected to the team on Twitter. He's a consumer rights activist and he's talking about how two different MRPs for the same product is not only unethical but also, in fact, illegal.
My name is Anil Sood, citizen journalist. Today, intend to take up a very serious issue of service charge and also added to the cost by airlines, impact of which is huge. I am holding in-flight menu of one of the low-cost carriers in my hand, which is indicating prices of mineral water, which is 40 rupees. Outside it is 20 rupees. Aerated soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Diet Cola or Fanta, 60 rupees. Outside again it is can of 30 rupees. So this clearly shows that the service charges has been included in the printed price, which itself is illegal, because the manufacturer cannot print a different price for airlines and different price for the market. Printing of retail sale price is governed by the act called Legal Metrology Act 2009, read with Legal Metrology Rule 2011. Now all these airlines, for the purpose of this act and rules, are dealers, because they buy the packed products from outside and sell to the consumers, those who are retail consumers. Now it is obligatory on the part of the manufacturer to print only one MRP for all the products sold to these airlines as well as sold in the open market. Now, being the dealers, they cannot charge extra. Now, where they are taking shelter of the flaw in the law is that they treat themselves as institutional buyers. Now, institutional buyers can use the product for themselves, cannot sell the product to the dealer. So that is the flaw which they are using to their advantage, and treating themselves as an institutional buyer, they are getting different price tag, price fixed on the products, which is wholly illegal. This is the high time. We citizens need to wake up, come together, stand up against overcharging, overpricing, because law is in our favor. We'll have to force the authorities to come, wake up and take action against this kind of fleecing, which is not cannot be tolerated anymore. I am Anil Sood, citizen journalist for CNN IBN.